1. Take off top mirror and pull out heated plug. 2. Using a screwdriver to assist to take off the bottom mirror. 3. Remove the screws that hold the frame and take off the frame. 4. Remove the screws that hold the motor and take off the motor from the bracket. 5. Check the turn signal light, plug, and reinstall the plug. 6. Remove the motor cover and take off the motor plug to check. 7. Reinstall the motor plug after check. 8. Reinstall the motor cover and reinstall motor to the bracket. 9. Pay attention to pass the heated plug through the frame hole. 10. Reinstall the frame. 11. Reinstall the top mirror and bottom mirror.